This video tutorial I will cover plus methods of period class. Here I have defined the class period demo 1. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created a period of days, which is 12 days. Then I am calling plus days method and passing 15. So 15 days will be added to period of days. Here I have created a period of months, which is 2 months. Then I am calling plus months method and passing 5. So 5 months will be added to period of months. Here I have defined the class period demo 2. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created a period of years. Then I am calling plus years method and passing 13. So 13 years will be added to period of years. Here I have created a period of months. Then I am calling plus method and I am passing a period of 10 months. So 10 months will be added to period of months.